Okay, good afternoon to one and all. Today we have to start with the unit 1 of the physical chemistry for the semester 1. Just I am sharing the screen. Once again we will talk about the syllabus for this particular semester for this unit 1. See, in the unit 1 we have to talk about the thermodynamics. In the thermodynamics, the state function and exact differential, Maxwell equation, Maxwell thermodynamics relations, its significance and application to ideal gases, Joule-Thomson experiment, Joule-Thomson coefficient. Okay, then inversion temperature, Joule-Thomson coefficient in terms of the van der Waals constant. Third law of thermodynamics, entropy change for a phase transition, absolute entropies, determination of the absolute entropies in terms of the heat capacity, standard molar entropies and their dependence on the molecular mass and the molecular structure, residual entropy. This part we have to complete this particular one. To start with this particular thermodynamics, you should remember what is a thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is nothing but a branch of science that deals with the heat, work, and temperature and their relation to the energy, radiation, and physical properties of the matter within the confines of the laws of thermodynamics. It is a branch of science which deals with the study of heat, work, temperature, and its relation with the energy. It is very much important. In the thermodynamics, we deals with the study of the energy that we have to focus. Main purpose of this thing is that. And what is the chemical thermodynamics? Chemical thermodynamics is simply the study of the interrelation of the heat and the work with the chemical reactions or physical changes of the state within the confines of the law of thermodynamics. Thermodynamics and chemical thermodynamics. Chemical thermodynamics, when comes at that time, we will talk about the chemical reaction. Then, what is the thermodynamics properties? This is the basic things that I have taken. Okay, thermodynamic properties are the characteristics of system by which it can be specified. They may be the characteristics that characteristics are identifiable and observable. जो कुछ दिखता है जिसे हम आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं उसे हम क्या कहते हैं कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स फॉर एग्जांपल वॉल्यूम टेम्परेचर प्रेशर एंट्रोपी इंटरनल एनर्जी एंथैल्पी गिब्स फंक्शन एंड हेल्महोल्ट्ज फंक्शन सो मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर दे आर कॉल्ड एज thermodynamic properties. What is a state function? We will see actual question also. In simple, you have to remember state function is a property which describes the current state without depending on the path taken to reach this state. Examples are pressure, temperature, volume, mass, density, internal energy, enthalpy, entropy. What is a state function and what is a path function? These are the two different properties. These are the two different functions. Path functions, they are depend on the path between the two states, heat and the work. See, in the state functions, if that I will say anyone is starting or say designing the goal to reach to the Mumbai. If the any person is at the Murud and if he is planning to reach to the Mumbai, there are the so many paths. The person can use Roha. By Roha, he or she can go to the Mumbai. From Alibag, he or she can go to the Mumbai. Then again from the Alibag, there is a sea route is there, which that may can use the Caterman to go to the Mumbai or by road, he or she can go. Means state function says that our aim is to reach the Mumbai, but which path we have to follow that depends on us. Our only aim is that Murud to Mumbai, okay, and it does not depend upon the path, okay, without depending upon the path. Means लेट्स एग्जांपल जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि मुरुड में हूँ और मुझे मुंबई जाना है, तो मेरी करंट मैं कहाँ पे हूँ, मुंबई में हूँ, मुरुड में हूँ, मैं कैसे गया मुंबई दैट डजंट मैटर, उसे हम स्टेट फंक्शन कहते हैं. that present state can be described, is called as a state function. Only present state. Pressure, present में क्या है वही प्रेशर कहलाएगा. टेम्परेचर दैट मे वेरी, बट द प्रेजेंट में क्या है, अभी क्या टेम्परेचर है, दैट इज एन स्टेट फंक्शन. वॉल्यूम, पहले वॉल्यूम इतना था, बाद में वॉल्यूम क्या हुआ, चेंजेस उसमें क्या हो गए, वो डजेंट मैटर. प्रेजेंट टाइम पे मतलब नाउ इफ यू आर टॉकिंग, इफ यू आर टेकिंग द वाटर इन द ग्लास, अभी वो वाटर ग्लास में कितना है, दैट वॉल्यूम डिपेंड्स अपॉन द प्रेजेंट स्टेट ओनली. आज में 10 घंटे के बाद उसका वॉल्यूम अलग भी रह सकता है. डेंसिटी, इंटरनल एंथैल्पी, एंट्रोपी, these are the state function. Path functions, heat and work are there, that depends on the path between the two states. एक क्वेश्चन यूनिवर्सिटी के एग्जाम में आता है, व्हाट आर द एग्जैक्ट एंड इनएग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल, ड्रॉ द मैक्सवेल थर्मोडायनामिक स्क्वायर. दिस इज अ 3 marks question is there. And see the what is the path function 1 and 2 here shown, the temperature, internal energy and volume, these three things are there. Okay, see, the volume and the temperature of the systems are changed, the internal energy changes. Okay, and adiabatic and non-adiabatic path are shown as a path 1 and path 2. Path 1 जो है that is an adiabatic, मतलब heat is a constant, और ये non adiabatic मतलब heat may vary. See here, they correspond to different values of Q and W, but to the same value of delta U. मतलब क्या है कि इंटरनल एनर्जी जो है दैट डज नॉट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द पाथ. यहाँ पे दो पाथ है, पाथ 1 पाथ 2. ऐसे में कैसे जा रहे उससे कुछ मतलब नहीं है. तो इंटरनल एनर्जी स्टेट फंक्शन है. टेम्परेचर इज ऑल्सो द स्टेट फंक्शन, वॉल्यूम इज ऑल्सो द स्टेट फंक्शन, दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. इट मे कम फॉर. Okay, exact differential. An exact differential is an infinitesimal quantity that when integrated gives a result that is independent of the path between the initial and the final state. यहाँ पे आपको डिटेल में मैंने लिया है. I have shared one PDF also. In the PDF also the same thing are there. If a system is taken along a path, for example by hitting it, U changes from UI to UF, and the overall change is the sum of integral of infinitesimal changes along the path. तो आप क्या करेंगे, डेल्टा U is nothing but the integration starting from I to F, मतलब initial to final du. Okay, the value of delta U depends upon the initial and the final state of the system, but it independence upon the path between them. This path independence of the integral is expressed by saying du is an exact differential. मतलब क्या है कि जो स्टेट है उस स्टेट के ऊपर डिपेंड है, मतलब प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन के ऊपर डिपेंड है. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं कि वो आपका रूट क्या है, व्हाट इज द वे, व्हाट इज द पाथ. ओके, तो इसलिए इट इज कॉल्ड एज एन एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल. डी यू क्यों क्या बोलेंगे हम, इट इज एन एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल. व्हाई, बिकॉज इट इज अ पाथ इंडिपेंडेंस. Then inexact differential is an infinitesimal quantity that when integrated gives a result that depends upon the path between the initial and final state. पहला वाला क्या था, it independent on the path. Okay, when the system is heated, the total energy transferred as a heat is the sum of all individual contribution at each point of the path. That's why Q is equal to I path to the F dq. Notice the difference between this equation and equation number 1. Here delta Q is not written because Q is not a state function, and the energy supplied as a heat cannot be expressed as Qf and Qi. Secondly, we must specify the path of integration because Q depends upon the path selected. This path dependence is expressed by saying dq is an inexact differential. The work done on a system to change it from one state to another depends upon the path taken between the two specified states. For example, in general, the work is different if the change takes place adiabatically and non-adiabatically. It follows that dW is an inexact differential. It is often written d cross W, मतलब उसके ऊपर बार लिखा जाता है. मैक्सवेल स्क्वायर जो है, it is an very much इंटरेस्टेड दैट आप देखेंगे ACU HF PGT है. अब इसको रिमेंबर कैसे, ध्यान में कैसे रखने का है, तो देखो, गुड फिजिसिस्ट हैव स्टडीड अंडर वेरी फाइन टीचर. दिस इज द वे टू रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, मैक्सवेल स्क्वायर. इसको ध्यान में रखने के लिए क्या ध्यान में रखना है, दिस पर्टिकुलर Good physicists have studied under very fine teachers. सारे थर्मोडायनेमिक्स प्रॉपर्टीज वहाँ पे आ जाते हैं। थर्मोडायनेमिक्स स्क्वायर में सारी चीजें हैं, आप देखेंगे तो टेम्परेचर है, वॉल्यूम है, इंटरनल एनर्जी है, गिब्स एनर्जी है, एंट्रोपी है, प्रेशर है, ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर देयर। जिसे कहते हैं मैक्सवेल थर्मोडायनेमिक्स स्क्वायर। और एक क्वेश्चन यूनिवर्सिटी के एग्जाम में आता है 4 मार्क्स के लिए, जस्ट आई एम शेयरिंग अनदर से आपके नोट्स में दिया है। स्टेट एक्सप्लेन द स्टेट फंक्शन एंड एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल स्टेट फंक्शन। A function of a certain quantity, वहाँ पे मैंने definition दिया है that you can write, okay, which depends upon the initial and final state of the system but does not depend on the way or say path, okay, used to carried out. This change is called a state function. Thermodynamic properties, temperature, pressure and volume are state function. The value of the function depends upon the initial and the final state of the system and not on the path followed or used to carried out these changes. Example आपको दिया है, if we heat the water from 25 degrees centigrade to 26 degrees centigrade, okay, then the change in the temperature is equal to the difference between the initial and the final temperature. When we heat the water or we stir the that particular stir with the that particular paddle, the solution to achieve desired temperature. Thus, a temperature is a state function because it is not depends on the way in which the temperature is raised, but depends on the initial and the final temperature. आपको जो यहाँ पे एग्जांपल बताया है कि वाटर को हीट करना है, तो आप डायरेक्टली फ्लेम के साथ हीट कर सकते हैं या आपके पास कोई हीटर रहेगा उससे हीट करो, या आप कैसे भी करो, मगर इसका स्टेट फंक्शन किसे कहते हैं कि दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द इनिशियल एंड द फाइनल वैल्यू, ओके, नॉट ऑन द पर्टिकुलर योर दैट पाथ, मतलब किस तरह से आप कर रहे हैं, ओके। Okay. Then exact differential state function. Same thing is there that I already discussed. The differential of a certain quantity depends upon the initial and the final state, but independent on the path followed to change out for that change is called exact differential state function. Net volume of the definite amount of the substance depends upon the temperature and pressure. Mathematically, it is given by V is equal to function of T and P. Okay. Any change in the temperature and pressure will change volume accordingly. Therefore, the temperature and the pressure are independent function. The change in the volume, okay, the change in the volume is then estimated by providing the derivation of volume with the respect to the temperature and pressure. The derivative is a state is a rate of dependent variable to independent variable. The derivative is a ratio of dependent variable to independent variable. Delta V upon delta P, rate of change of volume with respect to the temperature at constant pressure. Delta V by delta P, rate of change of volume with respect to the pressure at constant temperature. For infinite in temperature and pressure, dt and dp is a change in volume. dv is given by dv is equal to delta v upon delta t at p into dt. dv is equal to delta v upon delta t at t into dp. If both the temperature and pressure are changed, then the volume is dv is equal to delta v upon delta t into dt plus delta v upon delta t, दोनों का सम करेंगे simply. Okay, then this is the This is a total that particular differential function of the volume. The final volume remains same and it does not depend on the path followed. Okay, they depend upon initial and a final state. This is true because volume is a state function and small change in the volume dv is an exact differential. ये भी एक example है. This is about your exact differential and state function. That part we have covered up to this. Okay. अभी what is the characteristics of the exact differential? ये भी 3 marks के लिए question exam में आया है. First order differential equation of one variable is called as exact or an exact differential if it is the result of simple differentiation. Example दिया आपको p x y. अभी y dash मतलब first derivative है plus q x y is equal to 0 or in the equivalent alternate notation p x y into dy plus q x y into dx is equal to 0 is exact if p x x y is equal to q y x y. Sometimes if an equation is not exact, it can made be exact by multiplying each term by the suitable function called as integrating factor. कभी कभी वो exact नहीं रहता है तो उसको exact बना सकते हैं by multiplying the integrating factor. जैसे कि 3y plus 2xy dash is equal to 0 is multiplied by 1 upon xy, it becomes 3 upon x plus 2 y dash upon y is equal to 0, which is a direct result of differentiating the equation in which the natural logarithm function appears. 3 ln x plus 2 ln y is equal to c, or equivalently x cube y square is equal to c, which is implicitly define a function that will satisfy the original equation. Higher order equations are also called exact. They are result of differentiating the low order equation. These are the what we can call significance. ये तीन जो पॉइंट आपको ध्यान में रखना है, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल. चौथा भी if the equation not exact, there may be a function z of x also called an integrating factor such that when the equation is multiplied the function z it becomes exact. तो पहला भी मैंने वहाँ पे लिया है आयन में. तो this is the characteristics of the exact differential. जब सिंगल डैश रहती है तो सिंगल डेरिवेटिव, डबल डैश रहती है तो डबल डेरिवेटिव है. दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. और ये नोट्स में भी आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर वाइज दिया है. प्लीज गो थ्रू विद दिस पीडीएफ आल्सो बिकॉज as per university the questions are there and one by one we will also see here. ये भी यूनिवर्सिटी का क्वेश्चन है. फॉर 1 मोल ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर आइडियल गैस पीवी इज इक्वल टू शो दैट डीपी इज इन एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल. ओके, दैट पार्ट वी विल सी in the next lecture.